This presentation focuses on effectively testing workflows within the Expedify builder. We'll explore how to run a workflow before deployment, ensuring it functions as expected. The goal is to validate your automation logic in a real-world scenario. The core of our testing strategy is the test loop. Fire it for real, then inspect the results. This involves changing a record to trigger the workflow, observing every node turn green, and then using the logs panel and post-run node configuration panels to inspect the details of the execution. We'll begin with our lead status change workflow, comprising 5 interconnected nodes. This workflow triggers when a contact's lead status changes, then conditionally sends an email and updates CRM tasks. Currently, all nodes are in a neutral state, awaiting activation. To test a database trigger, you must initiate a real database event. We'll open a contact in the CRM, navigate to the sales information section, and change the lead status dropdown from new to interested. This action will fire the database change trigger, initiating the workflow. Upon returning to the builder, you'll observe that every node now displays a green, completed badge, indicating a successful execution. Simultaneously, the logs panel automatically opens at the bottom of the canvas, providing an immediate overview of the workflow's run, which typically completes in under a second. The logs panel serves as our primary inspection surface, structured into 3 distinct regions. The header displays a success badge, while the left column lists every executed node with its duration. The right pane dynamically shows the inputs and outputs of the node selected from the left list, offering various views like preview and JSON. By selecting the universal_database_trigger in the logs panel, the right pane reveals its output. This includes the entity ID of the changed contact, the update operation, and the specific changed underscore fields. This diff clearly shows that the lead_status transitioned from new to interested, explaining precisely why the workflow was initiated. Inspecting the condition node's output in the logs panel provides insight into the comparison performed. It displays the left_value, the resolved variable, the right_value, our configured value, and the contains operator. Crucially, the condition_result is true, confirming that the filter passed and the workflow proceeded down the true branch. Reviewing the email_send node's output confirms the email's delivery details. The right pane shows the recipient's email address, the subject line with the resolved template variable, and a sent status with an ISO timestamp. This output, along with the execution duration, provides confidence that the email was successfully dispatched. To fully verify the email's journey, we check the recipient's Gmail inbox. The email is present, with the subject line matching the logs panel output. The HTML template is fully rendered, personalized to Shashank, confirming that the trigger, condition, and email send all function correctly, delivering the message as intended. Beyond the logs panel, our second inspection method involves double-clicking any node on the canvas. After a workflow run, the node's configuration panel transforms to display everything that occurred internally, including variables that can be easily copied for reuse in downstream nodes. When you double-click a node after a run, its node configuration panel, NCP, shows a completed status in green. The outputs and validation section, previously empty, is now populated with the trigger's actual output, such as the contact's entity ID and changed fields. This view confirms the node's health and successful execution. After a workflow executes, downstream nodes gain a new Runtime Input Data section in their configuration panel. This section lists every upstream node that provided data, along with item counts. It's a crucial layout for inspecting the exact values passed between nodes during the actual run. Expanding any upstream node within the Runtime Input Data section reveals its real runtime values, such as first_name, Shashank, or email, Shashank@expedify.ai. Hovering over any field displays a click to copy variable name tooltip. This feature allows you to instantly copy the template syntax for that variable, streamlining the process of wiring subsequent nodes. To effectively test, always fire the trigger for real, whether it's changing a record or hitting a webhook. The Logs panel automatically opens, providing an at-a-glance view of executed nodes. For deeper inspection, double-click any node to see its post-run status, outputs, and runtime input data. Use the Click to Copy Variable Name tooltip to quickly wire downstream nodes. These two angles offer both speed and depth in your testing. We've covered testing in the builder, emphasizing the importance of firing triggers for real. The Logs panel offers a quick overview, while the Node Configuration panel provides deep inspection with runtime input data. Next, we'll explore the Executions panel, which offers a comprehensive view of every real run across all your workflows.